Gav here with his Hacko. You would have seen it on the skid factory. Where's he going?
I think he's just going to get a photo next to the old mate.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Where was he going to park?
I think he's going to put it here, that way, and yeah, and put the awning up. Got the beast set up next to the skid boys at the skid factory. We've got Mitch and Ben Woody doing their thing. Hacko looking bloody good. 5.6 VQ. Looks beautiful. Mitch, the detail, has been working on that for a few days. Caught up with him the other day up at the skid factory. This is still one of my dream cars.
They go, oh yeah, but you know, that means we've got double.
Plush velour, look at that. Oh. 13B RX5. Look at that, I was so busy looking at an old rotor I didn't see the GTR. Fancy that. Anyway, I'm going to do a wander around, we might get some footage as we go. I want me one of these. I love the 929 hardtop. What I'd love to do for the channel is buy one of these, because they did come out with a 13B in them. I would like to do that. Mad Mike's got a rotary taxi in NZ. He uses one of these. Me want badly. What do you reckon? Would you like to see something like that on the channel? That is in immaculate condition. Look at that. Beautiful. I still want one of those. 4AGE Corolla GTI. And what's next to it? Oh, remember this baby roller from the channel? This ain't the exact one, I don't think. No. I still miss that car. That's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, very cool.
Wow. Probably whips along too, I bet. We got Dado Corner here, the old Bluebird. That's in Sunny Coupe, you don't see many of them. 4-door Sunny. Ooh, GTR. Mini GTR. Skid Pig. Very nice. Oh god. Daihatsu, probably. Gorgeous 60s Crown wagon. This KE Corolla belongs to a guy called the Hoff off Nugget Garage. The guy's a genius, does some amazing builds. This car is running a 3RZ Hilux engine with a massive turbo, and it sounds absolutely wicked. Right next to the Hoff is a 1965 Honda 800. Very interesting looking car. I think it runs a 2-cylinder, but my attention was taken away by the obnoxious rotary in the background. That is another fellow Luxor. That looks great. That is beautiful. Haltech dash. A little bit of an issue here. It's a pity. I think all the money's gone into this end here. Sounds like a jet engine. Oh, everyone's got their poles out. Look at this.
Mr. Adam.
Oh, hello.
I've got 3 questions for you. Out of
Yes.
all the cars here, you got to pick something. You got to invest in one, you got to race one, and you got to daily drive one. What are you picking?
Crap. I don't know. Race one, it's got to be a rotor.
Yep.
There's a couple down. RX-7.
Sure.
Yep,
Yep,
okay.
perfect.
Daily, probably... Well, couldn't be the Hacker. That'd be an effort.
Too wild. Too wild.
Oh shit, mate. I don't know. Everything seems a bit Toyota around here.
What about that beautiful ute over there?
Yeah, well, I'm going to have to daily that pretty soon, I think. It's been nearly 2 years on it, so it will be.
All right, what are you investing in?
Investing in, I like to go for things that are a little bit not quite there yet. So, mate, it's not here on an all Jap day, but some kind of old Ford, I tell you.
Yeah,
that's what you've got to look
righto.
at. But Japanese-wise, shit, everything's already gone. What do you buy? I don't know, Pajero?
Maybe.
Oh shit. Just when I thought I'd seen it all, there's a Scorpion here. This thing looks sick. It actually drew a fair bit of attention today. My son, his first car was a Scorpion just like this, but the next model, very rare to see out and about on the roads these days. It turns out Gavin has won basically the People's Choice Award for his Hacko build. Congratulations, mate. A lot of time, effort and money has gone into that car.
You got it, Gav?
Well, that seems like it for All Jap Day 2022. The Hilux has gone down pretty well. It was an honour to be stationed next to and hanging out with the skid factory. Yeah, a lot of people loving the truck. A lot of interest in it. Hopefully that will transpire eventually into the sale of it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Hope I can get some content together for you. Find a bite, fix it, flip it. Remember Rushy, and we'll catch you next time. Ciao. I know I probably said goodbye at the All Jap Day and I wound up the video, but I just want to finish off by saying, yeah, the truck was lovingly received, and I always doubted what I was doing myself to the truck, but a lot of praise today, which makes me feel like I'm actually heading in the right direction with how I do things. It was lovely to meet all of you guys out and girls out there today. Thank you very much for having a bit of a chat and sharing your stories and listening to my story about the old Nugget here. It got there and back on its maiden epic voyage since the build with no hiccups, touch wood. And I'm sporting some new attire as well. But yes, the truck itself, there and back, first time it's been driven with all the new gear on it. I mean, I thought I might have to, you know, did I do the nuts and bolts up right on the suspension, or when I put the shackles back on, or is the front end together okay? No major dramas, as I said. All up, it was a great day. Hopefully we've met new subscribers and they are new to the channel and they can enjoy my previous work and all of the new stuff to come. We've got plenty on the books. So stay tuned. We'll catch you later. Again, thank you very much. Appreciate you all. And yeah, I'm just stoked. See ya.